Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hello everybody, my name is Palesa Diale and I am the owner and founder of Beige Butterfly. So Beige Butterfly is a company with two divisions. I have my water side, my water division. I have the coolest water. It's water in a plastic can. I bet you've never seen that before. And I also have my hair and skincare division, which consists of various products that help with treating and maintaining healthy skincare. How I started my business was I wanted to fix my problem. I was having some skin problems and I wanted to kind of overcome it the more natural way because other products with preservatives were not helping me. My contact details, you can easily find me on Instagram, on my email, or on my cell phone. My cell phone number is 065 021 4111. My email address is beigebutterflyinfo@gmail.com, and my Instagram is Beige Butterfly Hair and Skincare and Beige Water by Beige Butterfly. Hi, my name is Palesa Diale and I am a township entrepreneur.